Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on how I customized, installed, and styled this hair. I've always wanted to try a platinum blonde wig, and I'm so excited that today's the day that I am wearing my fantasy. Unfortunately, what I did not show you guys in the video is how I toned this wig, but I can show you guys the shampoo that I use to tone my wig. This one is called Not Your Mother's Blonde Moment Treatment Shampoo, and of course this is going to neutralize any brassiness, and then it just really enhances the color. This wig originally was a yellow blonde color. It was a 613 color, I believe, but it was a little too yellow for my liking, so I wanted to go ahead and tone the wig, and I love the color that it came out. It's like this icy platinum, like it's giving me storm vibes. Also, you guys, I'm going to be doing my first ever giveaway. I'm going to show you guys the wig that I will be giving away. It's a blonde bob wig. So this is what the wig looks like. It's a blonde color. It looks more platinum in the camera, but it's more blonde. But of course, obviously you guys can tone it to whatever color you want. And then it does have the dark roots. Super freaking cute. So if you guys want to participate in this wig giveaway so you guys can receive this amazing, beautiful blonde wig, all you guys have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and also subscribe to EvaWigs YouTube channel and their Instagram as well, and I will leave all their information down below. Giveaway will begin once I make this video live, and it'll end in 5 days. I'm not sure exactly when this video will go up, so if you guys just count 5 days from when this video is posted, by midnight, that is when the giveaway will close. So once you have followed all the accounts, I want you guys to go ahead and message me on Instagram and just say done. That way I can keep a tally of who is all included in the giveaway, and then randomly I will select one person to win this beautiful wig, and I'll just ship it out to you guys. Enough of that. You guys, make sure you guys do participate in this giveaway. It's my first giveaway ever, and you guys are getting a free wig, so why not, you know? If you guys want to see how I installed this wig, how I customized it, and how I achieved this wet look, just make sure you guys continue to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up if you guys thought this video was super cool and helpful, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, so we're just going to hop right into this tutorial. I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like from afar, and I'm going to show you guys what the hair looks like up and close and inside the cap. It does have three combs, I believe, and then it has the adjustable strap in the back, and this is what the front looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Got To Be Free Spray and my bronzer powder. This is from Anastasia. So what I'm going to do is spray the lace with the Got To Be Free Spray, and then with a brush I'm just going to pack that powder on top, and because I applied the free spray first, it's going to stick to the lace. So what this essentially is going to do is just make your lace look a lot more natural to your skin tone or to your scalp, because if you guys saw in the beginning, the scalp kind of looked, the hair knots looked white. So by doing this, it's going to turn it brown so that it matches my skin tone. And a lot of times people will bleach the knot to achieve this look, but I wanted to show you guys something really simple, quick, and easy to do without having to bleach the knots, and you kind of get the same results pretty much. Like if you guys see, when I flip it around and I hold it up against my hand, you guys see how now it just looks like my skin. That is what the hairspray does. So right now I just applied the wig on my head, and right now what I pretty much do is I kind of position it exactly how I want it to fit before I apply the glue, because you want to make sure that it fits perfectly on your scalp and you get it to the right position before adding the glue, because once you add the glue, it's not like you can reposition it. So right now I'm using this glue. I don't know the name of this glue. It was sent to me by a company, but a lot of people use the Ghost Bond glue, or honestly any glue that is like a really good adhesive will work for this particular style. But I'm just going to apply it along my edges, and I'm only doing one layer. Usually I will do 2 layers, but that's when I'm like doing the whole process of like even cutting the cap and all that, but I'm not even doing all that. I'm just doing something like super quick and easy. So I'm just applying it along my hairline, and then it literally takes like a few seconds to dry. So after the glue is completely dry, you'll know when it's dry when you don't see any more of like the white color anymore. I'm just going to pull the wig forward, and this adhesive is really good. So literally when I pull the hair forward, it sticks to my forehead. Okay, so to achieve the wet look, I am going to be using mousse, but before I put the mousse in, I'm just going to take a water bottle and spray the entire head. I want to get the hair pretty much drenched, so I'm just going to continue to spray until I feel like my hair is drenched enough before I put the mousse in. Okay, so now I'm going to take the argan oil mousse, and I love this stuff. I literally use it for everything. I use it for my baby hairs. I use it to curl my hair. I use it for literally everything. This product is like amazing. So right now I'm just going to spray. I take a lot of mousse, like, so don't be like overly generous because that's what I'm doing. So I'm putting it, working it through the entire head, and then I'm just going to scrunch up. This hair is straight, so obviously it's not going to get like super curly. But that's totally fine because this is the straight wet look that I was kind of going for anyways. But yeah, so I'm just going to put tons of mousse in my hair and just make sure like I scrunch it to kind of get it somewhat of a wavy look. And then I like to work a lot of it in the front just to kind of make it stay like kind of like that comb over look in the front. And yeah, so after I've applied my mousse, I'm going to create some baby hairs. So I'm just going to take like the first layer of hair from the front of my hair or my hairline, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and take my scissors and cut it. And that's pretty much how I like get my baby hairs. I kind of have to create them on my own because sometimes wigs don't come with baby hairs. And then I'm just gonna take some of the mousse that I put in the hair, and that's what I'm gonna use to kind of style and hold the baby hairs in place. So this is pretty much the end of this tutorial. I'm just going to finish off by creating the baby hairs on the other side and apply some mousse to kind of hold them together. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please thumbs up if you guys felt like this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to leave any comments down below. And don't forget to participate in the giveaway to win a free wig. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.